Hi, welcome back. My name is London, and today I'll be showing you how to make grilled cheese. You'll need 4 ingredients: bread, butter, mayo, spread, and cheese. So let's get started. You can use almost any kind of bread, but I prefer buttermilk. For the spread, we're going to be using equal parts of butter and mayo. And this is what it's going to look like. For traditional grilled cheese, my family likes to use this mild cheddar. We use bulk cheese because it's more economical. When you grate your cheese, be extra careful. Use the serrated edge of the knife to spread your butter mayo mix. Turn on your exhaust fan and fire up your burner. Place your bread, butter, mayo side down, and then add your cheese. Be sure to add cheese all the way to the edges. You want your grilled cheese ooey and gooey. The more cheese, the better. Are you ready? Oh wait, that made it more poppy. Okay. To help the cheese melt faster, add a teaspoon of water, then cover with a lid. Ready, set, go. Woo! Once the bread is golden brown, flip the sandwich over. We are done. Dad, take it away.
London finished her first grilled cheese on her own, and look how perfect it came out. It is golden brown. And look at that, so golden brown, ooey gooey. And it's gonna be delicious, right? All right. All right, guys, I failed to turn the light on, and so it was super dark, and that is so my fault. And I say we were, more than halfway done with our grilled cheese sandwiches. And London eats slower than I do, or I should say, I eat way too fast than I should. Look how perfectly golden brown. There's some of it that kind of crisped up a little bit, and you can probably see that right there, right? Excuse my oily finger. But this is such a perfectly made grilled cheese. I think you nailed it.
Wait, can I say something?
Sure, of course.
It tastes like a chip.
It does. It's like a cheese chip, right?
It tastes like a chip.
Perfect grilled cheese, guys.
Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and don't forget to hit that notification bell. See you next time.